Alright, play you guys a new song. It's about getting cheated on. If you're a cheater out there, fucking find you.
We're back.
Hi, doggy. Oh, you're pretty, doggy.
Baby Trav.
You're
an angel.
I look the exact same.
Yeah, you do.
Coffmobile. Wow. So much has changed. There's so much I need to fill you in on.
It's been 1.5 years since our last vlog.
Yeah, probably, actually.
We have a bass player now.
We got a bass player.
Why aren't you closing?
Bob. He's in the band. We got Low End. We've been playing shows like crazy all year. I'm going to Ottawa. Last show of the year. Let's go. Trav's window doesn't roll up. And I rolled it down. Fuck. Don't touch that. Whoa.
I would gladly sacrifice people to that apple.
How many orphans would you sacrifice?
All of them.
Whoa.
I can find.
Damn. That's a big apple. We're going in. Whoa, look at this. Is sick. There's bears in here? Holy fuck, that's a big pie. Oh yeah. Let's go.
Okay.
Apple boys. How you feeling?
I got too much saliva in my mouth. I'm trying to see how much I can build up.
Oh my God. How you feeling back there, Bob? Burger time.
Weak burger assembly.
Beyond meat.
Space meat. Made it. We're in Ottawa. Wow. Yeah, show kind of sucked, but
It was pretty good.
yeah. All I know is brush your teeth to avoid getting gingivitis. Even sleep in our own merch. I'm talking about. You want sweet dreams? Wear a strawberry cough t-shirt to bed. Hey, let's go. Bob's first time trying half French vanilla, half hot chocolate. How was it, man?
It was pretty good.
What are the tasting notes?
What?
What's it taste like?
What does it got a hint of?
I can't really taste it anymore because I burned my tongue.
The shit was so fucking good. We're back. Round 2. You excited?
I feel like death.
How do you feel?
I'm tired, man. Drove for like 10 hours.
Yep,
Was it worth it?
maybe.
Maybe.
How are you feeling, Bob?
I'm ready to play another show.
How are you feeling?
Let's go.
I like the positivity,
Let's go
Bob.
play another show right now.
Holy Jesus Christ. Yeah, so it's pretty much the vlog. Hopefully it's not shit. No idea.
I don't know, man.
Yeah, we don't know.
You can do anything.
I don't know if we even did anything. Anyways, yeah, it was our last show of the year. Unless we get offered to play like something really awesome. And yeah. Thanks for watching. Have a great night. We're Strawberry Cough. Oh yeah, we're going to the studio next week. Studio next weekend.